Hey, welcome to the Weld School page. Today we're doing an overhead lap on steel. It's about an 1/8 inch thick. It's a really short video. It's actually a pretty easy project. I think the biggest thing with anything out of that flat position or even 2F is getting comfortable. So I'm using a 45-degree angle into the joint, and it is about 1/8 inch thick material. So I am bringing my bead all the way to the top edge. So I'm trying to do my best to have equal legs. So an 1/8 inch out and an 1/8 inch up or down, I guess, in this case. And that's pretty much it. There's not much to it. I'm using a 332 tungsten and a 332 steel rod, which is ER70S-2 is the specific rod that I'm using. And I have 100% argon as usual, but take your time, just dip and move, dip and move, dip and move, and the more you do these out of position welds, the better they get. So thanks for watching.